DKSH, the #1 in market expansion services.
The partnership with HP has allowed us to bring the first 3D printed golf putter to the market. And that actually lines up perfectly with our vision to bring innovative products to the marketplace to help golfers enjoy the game.
3D metal jet printing has allowed us to think so differently about how we make a golf club. It allows us to put material where we need it to be to make the structure more resilient or give a player the right mass properties. But it's a whole new way to think about how we design, engineer, and fabricate the golf club.
Metal jet printing affords several design benefits that we can provide to the golfer.
We can put metal in the middle, which allows us to make the structure relatively stiff and sound good. At the same time, put metal on the perimeter, which gives a higher moment of inertia of that golf club head, which gives players forgiveness, which means they're going to hit the ball farther or more consistently on off-center shots.
Metal jet has allowed us to create designs quicker, innovate faster, go through that design cycle multiple times, as well as adapt the design through the process for manufacturability to keep up with the speed of the market, so we have the right product in the market at the right time.
Other fabrication methods would not have worked in this case. When you look at machining, casting, molding, the cost to do iterations, the turnaround time just would not have met the tight timeline and the number of designs that we were looking for.
If we can prototype faster, we can learn faster, we can evolve our design to the point where we can get it to the production development faster.
So what I'm most excited about is now we have the possibility of making things that we've only dreamt of making before. That we knew what the construction would look like, we had no idea how we could fabricate it. But now we have the ability to fabricate it and not only make it once, but we can make many of them. And we could bring products to market that 5-6 years ago we were just dreaming of. Now we can do it for real.
DKSH, the #1 in market expansion services.